Having a voice is critical for workers, as it enables them to improve their organizations and exert some degree of control over managerial decision-making. Yet this may change with the rise of the gig economy. Currently, scholars fear that workers on new platforms lack the ability to express their voices, as the platforms reject traditional employment relationships and channels of communication. If your manager is replaced by an algorithm, for example, who will listen to you voice your opinion? By conducting a qualitative analysis of several digital communities, researchers found that when gig workers use their voices in digital channels, they take special precautions to be heard. Instead of just voicing their opinions, workers frame their voices, including signals of status and group membership. For example, low-status workers may call themselves professional freelancers to signal their higher status. As a result of this framing, workers start to see themselves as belonging to different factions, and they tend to amplify members of their own faction and to mute perceived members of opposing factions. Gig worker voice is not just about improving the organization or exerting control over managerial decision-making. It is also about creating a social identity and showing one's status. Therefore, instead of trying to improve their organizations, some workers may attack others who call for change that could threaten their own status and work, creating declines in pro-social behavior. Wonder how voice is shared on digital platforms? If so, you may want to read this paper